So, wanted to comment on the local news story that was just on the news about the Wisconsin State Fair with the people who are upset because of they charge people to park on their property, and they're upset that Uber and Lyft and all them other services are still in business from them because people are like basically almost like carpooling type deal. They're getting together with Uber and Lyft. Well, first of all, I've been going to the Wisconsin State Fair for well over 20 years now, and the people who live up around the Wisconsin State Fair area have been charging people for well over 20 years to park on their property, anywhere from $3 all the way up to at least $30. And me, I just pay for parking right at the fair. You know, it was $10 for parking last year, I believe. This year it's $12 for parking. I park there because it's just easier and convenient. And like I said, a lot of these places, especially people who charge $20 or $30, why pay that when you can pay $12? But I can't remember what news station around here in Milwaukee did the story about it. If it was Channel Fox 6 News, or if it was CBS 58, or Channel 4, or Channel 12. One of the stations did a story a couple days ago about the people who live up around State Fair who charge people to park on their property, that they are upset because Uber and Lyft is still in their business. Well, first of all, let me tell you something. Like I said, these people have been charging people to park on their property for well over 20 years. I'll bet that not one of these people sit there and claim this money on their income tax when they file taxes every year, which is against the law, by the way, because according to federal law and the IRS, you are supposed to claim any and all income that you make on your taxes. And these people have been getting away with this for well over 20 years, scamming the United States government, scamming the IRS. Yeah, the government screws us, but two wrongs don't make a right. And like I said, I'll bet not one of these people sit there and report to the IRS how much money they make during a fair for charging people to park on their property. And these people, like I said, they're making anywhere from $3 per vehicle all the way up to $30 at least, depending on where you go in that area. You know, I saw a place today charging $3 for motorcycles. I saw places charging $20 to park on their property. I've seen places that charge $30 to park on their property. And this is all within like I'd say a good 2-3 mile radius around the state fair there. All the way up Greenfield Avenue, up National Avenue, Orchard, Madison Street, going a little bit north on the other side of the state fair property. These people sit there and they charge left and right to park on their property. And I'm sure the IRS and the government would love to start investigating these people and seeing, you know, that none of these people are sitting there reporting it on their taxes to the IRS. That's called tax fraud, tax evasion. That's a felony. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to put in my 2 cents about this, because really these people who sit there complaining that they're losing business, well, you know what? It's better to lose business than end up going to jail for tax evasion. So there's my 2 cents on it. Thank you. Hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.